Man, it's been a long time coming, guys, and I know we had a crazy bull market in 2024, but it seems like we haven't had a crazy green day in a little bit. And well, it feels good that we're having one right now. Guys, the entire stock market is exploding right now. We're talking the S&P's up 1.7%, same with the Russell, QQQ's up 2.2%, and we have the Dow up 1.6 as the VIX is down over 11%. So yeah, we haven't had a green day like this in about what, a month and a half, maybe a month. I don't know. It's been a while. So we're going to break down the indexes, what I'm doing. Of course, we'll break down a bunch of stocks, what's moving on my watch list. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, guys, and get your 30, you heard that right, 30 free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, which this part of the promo is brand new, guys. You get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 stocks. And your uninvested cash right now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, check out the link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your free money. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So, we got the CPI data this morning, and it came in better than expected, right? Which is why really the entire stock market is going crazy right now. And really it's because now we pretty much know that, yes, we understand the Fed's not going to cut rates as aggressively, as previously expected. But now we definitely know, at least as of now, they're not going to hike rates either, right? Considering CPI, core CPI came in better than expected, right? And obviously, not many people are expecting them to hike rates anytime soon, obviously. But seeing a big spike in CPI after they just started cutting rates a couple months ago, that would be what they don't want to see, right? And the fact that CPI is coming down better than expected, stocks like that. And, it's like I said, it's been a while since we've had a green day like this, where every stock, it seems like, on my watch list is up, all the indexes are up. And now SPY is in an interesting predicament. So is QQQ. You guys can see here, SPY is approaching. Let me actually clear the drawing set here and make this look a little bit better. All right, let's do that right now. SPY's approaching. It's pretty much at this resistance right here. You guys see it on the 4-hour time frame. We're pretty much at this trend line and right under this 180 SMA, which has been resistance for a couple of weeks now. So SPY, if this rally is legit, if the market is ready to reverse after this CPI report, actually, we're going to need to break 595. And honestly, for me, I want to see it break 600. So we're not there yet. That's the point here. We're not there yet, guys. We're still under this trend line. So I'm going to set my alert 595 on SPY. I'll do another one at 600. And if it breaks, in my opinion, 595, 600, I think we're going to be off to the races from there. And QQQ looks pretty similar, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, if I zoom in a little bit here, maybe clear the drawing set, make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, there we go. You guys can see we're at a big resistance just like SPY, right? On this 4-hour time frame, and we're under the 180 moving average. You guys see it right here. So QQQ needs to get out of, I would say, about 520, 522. That's a big resistance on this. And I'll set my alert now at 520. Let's do that. Mark is at or above $520 per share. And if it gets out of there, that would be a big breakout on QQQ. That'd be the breakout spot. But we're not there yet. And for me, guys, I'm watching TQQQ, which is a bullish 3x leveraged ETF that goes up 3 times what QQQ goes up. So if we do get that breakout on QQQ, TQQQ would be a leveraged way to play it. And this, guys, it could start running towards 90, maybe even higher. So TQQQ 3X bull leveraged ETF on the QQQ, and SPXS is essentially the same thing, right? Or SPXL, excuse me, is the same thing, but for the S&P. So if you think the S&P is going to, rebound big time, the overall market, obviously if the S&P rebounds, QQQ is as well, right? That's how it works. If you want to trade the S&P, SPXL is the, TQQQ equivalent for the S&P, right? So I'm watching those closely here for an overall breakout once we get the confirmation, if we get the confirmation. And some other ones here on the watch list, we might as well just run through them. Coinbase is moving. This one is bouncing in all the right places, right? We held above 265. That was the high from June, high from end of July, right? We broke out of it early November. Then it became support, right? And now we're bouncing over it. We're at 275. We're up 8% on the day, up $20 a share on the day. We're heading in the right direction. Coinbase, I think if it can break out of, let's say, 290, 285, and honestly, if it could take the highs out from earlier this month of January, I think it could actually start fully breaking out if we start pushing 290 plus. So I'm going to set my alert at 290, and if it breaks, guys, Coinbase could be getting ready for another ride. So that's Coinbase. COIN is the ticker symbol. Let's see what else is moving here. We might as well just go down the watch list. Micron's up 6%, which Micron is trying to break out here. I mean, we have a cup and handle. You guys see that clear as day here on the 4-hour chart, so that's pretty bullish. But overall, I mean, it's clear as day that this spot right here, $110, is a big resistance, and it has been since early mid-August. Actually, yeah, literally, July even a little bit. So 110 has to break. So I'm not convinced Micron's fully breaking out yet until we're able to get out of there. So let's see if we see that cup and handle play out. If it breaks 110, that would be a very good sign for MU here. So I just put my alert at $110 per share. So let's see what else is moving, guys. Just checked. I just got a text. My bad, guys. I got distracted. I'm looking here at my watch. But let me see. Meta's moving, which I think it was a little oversold. Not much, honestly. Yeah, now it was a little bit at the bottom of the channel here. Now we're bouncing back over the 180 SMA on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like could be going back to 635, 640. Very good sign on the charts here on Meta. So keep your eyes on that continuation. And by the way, guys, they're reporting earnings in 2 weeks from today. Not next Wednesday, but the Wednesday after that. And that just reminded me, didn't JP Morgan report earnings this morning? Wait a second. They did, guys. They did. The stock's up 1.7%. Let me double check. Was that this morning or yesterday? No, yeah, that was this morning. That's right. They're on Wednesdays. So JPM, they reported, let me see here, guys, GAAP EPS of $4.81 versus $4.11 expected on sales of $43.73 billion versus $41.7 billion expected. So double beat for JP Morgan Chase. And let's see what else. Anything here on guidance? Looks like assets under management up 18%. Wow, return on tangible common equity 21%. Pretty good. End book value up 11%. Okay. Let's see. Chase's 2025 firm-wide net interest income about $94 billion. Interesting. So, yeah, looks like the market loves it. I mean, guys, banks kick off earnings. It's that time. I'm freaking excited. And we called this out, did we not? We talked about this channel on JP Morgan Chase. We talked about it at about 235, 240. And here we are, 250, up 2%, breaking out to a fresh high on this time frame. We're at the top of the channel now. Unbelievable move. And I'm trying to think off the top of my head, what other banks were today? Was Goldman Sachs today? Yeah, they're up 6%, guys. Goldman Sachs reported this morning. They did, let's see, EPS of $11.95 versus $8.21 expected. Wow, they crushed that on revenue of $13.87 billion versus $12.36. Yeah, wow. So double beat for Goldman Sachs. GS investment banking fees rose 24% year over year. Global banking and markets revenue rose 33% year over year. Very good there. Wow, guys. And it looks like here there Q4 end assets under supervision up 12% to a whopping $3.14 trillion. Yes, with a T, guys. Unbelievable. So Goldman Sachs breaking out. This one might have some more room to go. We're $10 off the highs from back in early December. We're at 603, guys. 613 is the high. That could be where we're going here on Goldman Sachs. So keep your eyes on them. I think Wells Fargo's tomorrow. No, they were also today. 7% move here for Wells Fargo, guys. So the banks are crushing, even though Wells Fargo missed sales. Wow, they did $20.37 billion versus $20.58 billion that missed. But GAAP EPS $1.43 versus $1.34. That beat. So mixed bag for Wells, but I mean, guys, they're still exploding. The stock looks like it wants to take out the highs or test them at least from the end of November. So, man, what a day for earnings. What a day for the stock market, man. And we still have 2 hours left when I'm making this video. So things might go higher, who knows? But it's been one heck of a day, to say the least. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost at 50,000 subs. And feel free to check out my second channel at Stas Talks Money or Stas Surf. My name, it's linked down below. We have to get that to 1,000 subs, guys. It's a personal finance type channel. You'll like it. Trust me. Check it out. Link down below. And do not forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more free stocks, totaling 30 stocks. Yes, 30 stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or simply go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.